and welcome back to Miss April's English. Today we'll learn simple English phrases you can use every morning when you wake up, brush your teeth, make coffee, and get ready for the day. Let's make English part of your daily routine. Ready? Let's go! When you wake up, you can say, "Good morning. It's a beautiful day. Time to get up." Or just 5 more minutes. You can use these with your family or even yourself. For example, let's try this mini conversation. "Good morning. Did you sleep well?" "Yes, I slept great. How about you?" Next, when you're getting ready, try these phrases. "I need to brush my teeth." "Let me go wash my face." "I have to take a shower." "I'm getting dressed." For your mini conversation practice, "Are you ready?" "Almost, I'm brushing my teeth." Try saying what you're doing in English while you do it. It's like a game. "I'm brushing my teeth." "I'm putting on my shirt." It really helps you to remember. Now, when it's breakfast time, here are some useful phrases. "What's for breakfast?" "I'm making coffee." "I like toast with butter." "Let's eat together." And for your mini conversation practice, "What do you want for breakfast?" "I'd like some eggs and toast, please." For a challenge, try saying your breakfast order in English every morning. When you're leaving the house, you can say, "I'm going to work." "I'm off to school." "Have a great day." "See you later." And for your conversational practice, "Have a nice day." "You too. See you later." Okay, now let's review and practice. Repeat after me. "Good morning. I'm brushing my teeth. Let's eat breakfast. See you later." Great job! You've just learned your morning English routine. Try using these phrases every day to sound more natural. If you like this lesson, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more daily English conversations. Comment below. What's the first thing you do in the morning? See you in the next video. Bye.